is there parking? Let's find a parking spot. Lobby. It's not too bad. It's quick. It's easy. Dito na yung lobby nila, guys. $406. Dito na kami, guys, sa loob ng Intercontinental. Ito yung room namin for tonight. Yan yung bathroom nila. Tapos, merong toiletries dito. Wala lang yan. Pero yung soap nila, soap nandito, body wash, shampoo, saka conditioner. And then, syempre, yan. Meron dyan. Then, may mga towels. Extra na tissue. More towels. And then, here, merong coffee dito pag gusto mong mag-coffee. Tapos, ito yung lagayan ng ice. Merong ice dyan sa tabi namin. Pero ito, pag gagamitin mo to may bayad yan. Then, let's check. That's a cabinet. It's a little refrigerator. Ha? Ito yung bed namin for tonight. Yan si Habi nasa labas. Let's see outside. Yan. Ito yung sa labas. At actually sa unahan nandyan yung what you call that? Yung park. Tapos ito yung room. And then, yan yung TV. Merong cabinet dito. It's a big bed actually. See? Malaki na bed. And here, what's this? Maybe it's different room. Right? Mas gusto ng kasama ko doon nakaharap sa mismong mga building. Pero sa akin, okay naman to. Tapos ito yung nila. Lampshade. Pwede kang tumawag dito kung kailangan mo ng help o kailangan mo ng stuff na need dito sa room nyo. And then yan yung mga charger. Pwede mo i-charge dyan. Okay, yan lang guys. It's not a big pool, but it's just right.
That's kind of cool. I got
right?
two, like a small one and a big one.
Maybe that's for the kids.
Yeah. That's really cool.
Mm-hmm. You think how many floor is this? Maybe more than
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
10.
10 floor.
It's not bad. This is where we went to conference.
Oh yeah.
Downstairs.
You didn't take that.
They didn't walk this way. This is like an old style wood, right? They have an ATM machine here too. Slung. American slung. To the pool. Let's walk here. This door will lock at 10:30. This is going out to outside.
Huh?
This is where to go out. I see.
It's an old building.
Oh. The gondola is closed today. Kami dito sa kabilang room guys na harap talaga sa plaza. So, i-check ulit natin dito. Ito yung bathroom. Yan. Ito yung bathroom. Parang same lang din sa isa. Ayan. Tapos may mga toiletries. Meron din coffee dito. Pero mas wider yung ano nila guys, o room. It's way wider, right? It's big. Wow. You can have a people to sleep here too.
Jeez. This is a lot bigger. It's like a 50% bigger room.
Mm-hmm. And here's the view. Wow, beautiful view. Look at that. Look at the view, guys. It's so nice. Wow. And it is a double lock, you know. So the kids can run. Wow, now we're in the facing by the pool.
This is a good view.
Wow, this is so nice.
Jeez.
Beautiful.
We got lucky. Right?
Yeah. Except the pool is not open yet. But it's beautiful view. See? We got lucky.
Wow.
This is so cool.